Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell, what's going on today, we're getting some new wheels for the car. So the Advan GT is already sold, at least the square spec are sold. I still have the front staggered ones that I still gotta sell. New wheels we're getting today are gonna be pretty aggressive, and I know they can fit because I've done all the fender work you need to do to be able to get these to fit. Not sure how much camber I'm actually gonna have to run to be able to run these. Yeah, they're gonna be pretty aggressive, and I'm excited to show you guys these new wheels that we got. Honestly, I think it was time for something new, and it's also gonna help pay for the motor build since I had 6 wheels. So selling those will actually give me money back just so I can help pay for the engine build. Honestly, I think the change will be good, and it'll be pretty cool once I get to show you guys what wheels they are, but definitely very excited. But yeah, we're gonna head up there right now, and I'll take you guys with us. It's sad seeing the car like this, but honestly, I'm excited to see something new in the car. It's been a while, but let's head up to LA.
We're Calvin. We're gonna get to Jollibee.
I'm gonna get a job at Jollibee headquarters.
Yeah, we're gonna get peach mango pies and shit.
The new wheels got a fat lip on them. All right, so we're heading home. We picked up the wheels. Some of you guys may know him from Instagram. His Instagram, I'll pop up on the screen right here because I don't remember the exact Instagram name, but I'll put it up here with photos of his car. But his car's super sick. It's actually one of his older wheel setups, so it's cool that I was able to get one of his old wheel setups because I actually would look at his Instagram before I even had the car to see like what I wanted to do to it. So it's pretty cool that I'm getting wheels from someone I looked up to into building my car at least. So definitely excited to show off these wheels to you guys, but honestly, we'll see how they fit, especially with my current camper setup. But I'm very excited to put these on. Back in the house now. We just got back from going over to meet Justin to pick up his wheels, but can't wait to show you guys this. But here, let me tease it really quick before I actually show you the wheels. But we actually have to do a lot of mods, like we have to max out my camber arms, delete my liners and everything like that. But just look at that lip. All right, so you guys can tell it's another day. I ended up wanting to film this video once the car was running so I can show you the car outside, so you guys can actually really get the full look of the car actually at its correct fitment, with the perfect fitment, honestly, with how it sits right now. So I really wanted to wait to come out with this video just so I get my fitment like 100% dialed in. But here, let me show you guys some couple things that are new into my house. So here we have my OEM pistons that were originally my block when it was first built. And then here we got some more decorations, courtesy of E. Not sure why I cut out there, but here are the new wheels. We got some TE37 SLs. They're 18, 9.5, 45. These are legit TE37 SLs, but I'm just playing. This is low-key just my table, but these are new wheels. I just got them from my homie just so I can make it into a table, so that's pretty cool. But first I gotta go to the alignment shop and get the car's fitment dialed in before I show you guys what the new wheels look like. Just got done at the gym. Gonna be on my way to the alignment shop now. I also have 36 miles on the new block. Slowly getting there. Gotta get all the way to 300 or 400 before that tune, but very excited for that. And I made it to the alignment shop. Never been in this one, so I'm gonna try it out. It's over here in San Diego. It's called Discount Alignment, but we'll see if they can do my car. Sick, it got on the rack. Hell yeah. Can't wait to show you all the new wheels. Fucking low-key, that's a lot of camber. My front camber is actually the exact same right now compared to what it used to be on the reverse stagger setup. So the front stayed the same, but the rear, the camber arms are pretty much maxed out. This alignment shop was like one of the few ones that were open on a Saturday, so I went here. And also I saw they did a couple other cars on their Google reviews, so hopefully the alignment comes out good. Look at that fitment, this shit gonna be wild. I hope it can hook with the power I want to put down, but if not, I'll go wide body in the front and put some bigger tires on there, but hopefully we don't have to. So this will currently be the setup, and if I can't hook, I'll wide body the front just so I can fit a bigger tire and add less camber. Almost 5 in the rear and then 3.6. Okay, could you get the front to be both 3.6 because the left side rubbed a little bit, okay. So just have the front at both 3.6 and I want the toe zeroed out. And camber for the rear, just get them to match the lower one, the 4.6. 4.6? Yeah.
So you toe at 0?
Yeah, zero out the toe on the front and rear. Cool, man. Thank you so much. The alignment specs, they're pretty wild. My rear fitment is so fucking tight. Jesus Christ, I might have to pull these out. Just finished up with alignment. It looks sick as fuck. All right, you gotta back it up. It's kind of hard because they have to put a bunch of wood so it doesn't bottom out. Finally on the car, I can't wait to show you guys. I'm gonna wash it and then do a photo shoot so you guys can see them. So I had to stop and get gas because I wanted to level out my content. I only needed a gallon because I shot too high on the E, but I was wondering why there was no one else here. But look how much the gas is here. For 91, it's $6 for this shit. That shit way too expensive to be driving a car like this. But what are your guys' gas prices where you guys are from? God damn it, it's another day. I keep forgetting to film the rest of this video. But Lem's here now. He's gonna help me wash the car down because I do want to get it clean. It just rained, so I don't want to take photos of it like this. So I am gonna get the car clean right now so I can show you guys the new wheels.
Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Comes on.
All right, I know I'm at a different location right now, but here's a little cinematic of the new wheels. Alright, so you guys saw the new wheels. So my new wheels are TE37Vs. So I do believe this spec and this exact style of TE37Vs is actually discontinued now. But my spec is 18, 10.5, 22 all around with a 265/35 Falcon RT615, I think. So that's the current setup. And to be able to run this, you do need to run a bit of camber. So my front camber is actually the exact same as what my reverse staggered setup was. But my rear is definitely a lot more now. So before this setup, I think I was only running like 2 point something degrees in the rear, but now I'm at 4.6, I think, in the rear. But I definitely want to, when I get my heat gun back, I want to be able to flare out the rear flare so I can pull a little less camber out because I personally don't like running that much camber. But it doesn't look too bad with the 265/35. But just personal preference, I don't want that much camber, so I want to flare it out so I can pull less camber out of it. So, like I said, the alignment shop. A goal for this is I'm probably going to end up putting bigger tires on these because I like the meaty setup. So I do want to do a wide body in the front end. So I have a couple different options with companies wanting to come out with wide body flares or the Voltex piece from the S2000 to make the front wider so I can fit a bigger wheel. So we'll see which route I go with that. Who knows? When the time comes, I'll do it. We'll see after I get the retune with the power. But here, let me show you guys everything that's done to make these things clear. All right, so some people may question, do I rub anywhere? I actually have zero rub right now. It's super nice. With the exact alignment I have, the way it cambers in, it actually clears all four corners, which is super nice. But my fitment gets mad tight in every corner. So the rear, I pretty much can barely get a finger in on both sides. And then same with the front, especially when the front turns, I like have no room. But this is literally as tight as I can get it before I might mess up my fenders. So that's currently what's at. But if you guys look, I do have my flares like pretty much cut down that I did myself. And I also cut my quarter panel up pretty high. So if I hit a dip, it doesn't bottom out. But I have the tire trying to sit right where the body of the actual car is. So I pretty much have done every single mod I can do in the rear, besides flaring it out, which I might do a video on, who knows. But I do want to flare this out a little bit just to give me that little more clearance. All right, so now onto the front. I actually deleted both fender liners. So the reason I did that was I actually rubbed through a lot of the fender liner when I went on the reverse staggered setup. I did rub through it and it kind of looked really ugly. So I was like, I'll just delete it. It is what it is. So I had to end up deleting the fender liner. My side markers are shaved. I know they look clapped, but I actually want to get OEM ones again, shave them down, and actually make a custom thing so I can bolt up a side marker to this. Because the only thing holding this on right now is a self-tapper, so it's kind of sketchy. So there's that. And I actually have no rubbing issues up front at all with this clearance, but you can also see that fitment does get very tight as well. But my fronts are also rolled and pulled slightly by a shop that I won't name that's here in San Diego. I told them not to pull it, but it is slightly pulled. It's kind of hard to tell, but they did it and I can't really reverse it. So that's also why I'm not too hesitant about going wide body and cutting these up, because these fenders are kind of messed up already. But I will show you guys what will happen when you do delete the fender liners. As you guys know, my engine's built now and it's actually currently running perfectly. We're about to hit the break-in period. I'm 20 miles away from breaking it in. So as soon as that's broken in, we're gonna schedule a tune whenever JSR gets their dyno set up. But we'll be tuning with them, with John Piero over at FK8 Tuning Development. So we're gonna see some hopefully exciting numbers to see what we can get with the stock turbo, because for the people that aren't caught up yet, I had to go back to stock turbo to help fund the engine build, but that's okay. In the future, I do plan on going to a bigger turbo again, back to like upgrade to like a even bigger turbo, like a G25 or G30. But we'll see what my power goals are like later on in the future at least. and I still gotta end up cutting all the hood. But what I was saying about the cut fender liners, as you guys can see, like, it's completely open here now, so dirt and cacas all fly into my engine bay now. So I did just order the covers that go for this, just to help protect from like rocks and crap getting in the engine bay. But I also did keep part of the fender liner so it doesn't spray all the way into the engine bay, but it's like that on both sides, because I wanted to cover this up because it would be literally spraying the fuse box right here and a little bit of the ECU. So I didn't really want that pretty much hitting any of that stuff, so I kept some of the liner. But yeah, that's pretty much how I cleared the front to get the fitment I have right now. I also wanted to update you guys on what is to come. So in the next probably video or two, I do want to finish up my hood. So you guys already saw that hood scoop, but I also have some side vents, but I haven't decided if I wanted to put them in yet. So I might be just doing the middle vent, but I do want to cut the rest of this hood off and add that vent. So that video should be coming out either this week or next week, but we'll see. But now that the engine's broken in now, we'll also have a video on the retune. But yeah, those are the new videos that are going to be coming up pretty soon. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I can't wait to show all this new content that's coming out for this car in the next like couple weeks or two. But I'm very excited. There's so much coming, and I can't wait to show you guys, to pretty much show you guys the journey this car goes through with all the stuff that happens to it. Honestly, however big of a headache this car can be sometimes, I still love the thing. It's definitely not the smartest financial decision I've ever made, but honestly, it's one of my hobbies, and it kind of sucks that it's expensive, but it is what it is. I still enjoy it, and I hope I can share all my experience with you guys. So thank you guys for watching again. If you guys like the content, don't forget to leave a like, comment, or subscribe. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. God, that thing was sick as fuck. God, that shit is bad, bro.